Turn on your video. Okay, children, what was the problem like you all faced during your Sunday's exam?
Ma'am, only one doubt.
Yeah.
Like sugarcane only comes from sugarcane, right? It does not come from beetroot too, because beetroot is something else. It's something different.
No.
It's a different plant, ma'am.
Sugar basically comes from both the substances, both the food, from the sugar cane also and from the beetroot also. Sugar beet.
Ma'am, but in the options they gave like sugar. Where does sugar cane comes from?
Wait, I'll open the test and I'll just tell you. So in that question, you all got stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am, that's the only mistake I made.
I think not only you, I think everybody else also same thing. Okay, let me open the
Ma'am, fifth question.
yeah, opening. Sugarcane is obtained from sugarcane, beetroot, sugarcane and beetroot, none. Both.
Ma'am, but
The options are
how
correct.
sugar cane can be obtained from beetroot?
Sugarcane is basically a sugar only.
Ma'am, but sugar if we sugar is complete one, ma'am. But this is the sugar cane is the first part. It's a stem.
Sugarcane, basically, what you're talking about is a stem, which is like fully grown, right? You're talking about that.
Yes, ma'am.
No, here they are talking about the sugarcane. Which is basically a sugar. From where do you get the sugar? Is from the sugarcane and the as well as the beetroot.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay,
In
next time.
the question they did not give sugar, they gave sugar cane, so I got confused and I wrote sugar cane.
See, in that case, you know what you can do me. You can like if any time you have any kind of this kind of doubts and all, you can just message me personally. So, ma'am, I am not able to understand this question.
I selected both sugarcane and beetroot.
So it was correct.
Yes.
So anytime whenever you have doubt like this, message me then and there, because class 7th also, if some problem they have, they message me then and there, and I answer them. The same thing you can do whenever you have during the test time, whenever you have the problem, message me personally, wait for my reply. I'll be replying definitely, but if in case I don't reply, you call and ask me, ma'am, I'm not able to understand this so and so question. Why? I'll explain you then and there, because once the test is being over, then how can I help you? I will not be able to, right? So I cannot ask you to do the paper again or to solve the paper again. I cannot do that. So next time onwards, ask me then and there. I'll be helping you or I'll be telling you the meaning of that. Yeah, okay. So now we will be going ahead with the chapter components of food. Already we are done with its food. Where does it come from? Now in the chapter of component of food, already we have discussed the functions of vitamins, minerals, protein, fats, all those things. Today we are going to mostly we'll be winding up today the chapter with the deficiency diseases as well as about the balanced diet. Ridesh, turn on your video. Ridesh, turn on your video. Good. So, I hope everybody knows what is balanced diet, right? Adrit, what is balanced diet? Yes, Adrit.
Where we take all the nutrients and with roughage and water at the correct amount.
Okay, fine. So, Adrit, statement should be proper. Your answer is fine, but you should start with the proper way.
Can I say?
Wait, Rishit. Let me first of all talk with Adrit. So Adrit, the statement, the answer is fine. You have given the half answer, which is correct, but you should start in a proper way. So I think that is the problem you are facing, right? So to write the statement or to write the answers. So what you need to do if any kind of question is being asked, like what is balanced diet, or if I asked you what is obesity, or if I asked you what do you mean by disease. So whenever definitions are being asked, you should always start with the statement like maybe balanced diet is a kind of diet like
Can I
this.
say?
Yes, Rishit.
Ma'am, a balanced diet is a diet in which all the nutrients, including roughage, are given are divided into proper amount.
Fine. So, okay, acceptable. So you should start the statement with some kind of the, it is a process, or it is a substance, it is a material, or it is what? Anything, like whatever it is, you have to start with that, and with the same name, like is called as balanced diet, is called as deficiency disease. So balanced diet is a kind of diet. What happens in which all the amounts of nutrients will be present in a proper amount. Fine. So that is called as a balanced diet. For a balanced diet, what we should do, we should eat each and every nutrient in a correct amount, or in a proper or proportionate amount. Be it vitamin, be it minerals, be it any kind of other nutrients, everything should be eaten in a proper amount. Now, if we eat something more, then the problem will be there.
Oh,
If
but
they eat something less, then again the problem will be there. Have you ever heard the word Khalifa?
um,
No?
ma'am, I heard Burj Khalifa, but I
Khali,
didn't.
Khali, okay, Khali,
No,
fighter. No, great Khali.
don't
I
know.
have heard.
Ridesh, I knew this. Ridesh, okay, who he is?
Great Khali is a vegetarian.
I'm not asking her if he's a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, but who is Khali?
Yeah, Khali. He don't have energy, but one slap until that person will die.
This is a kind of actually the wrestler. We can say he's a wrestler. So he is like very, very
Like
tall.
John
I'll show
Cena.
you. Yeah. So I'll show
Like John
you
Cena.
a picture. So what happened is like he is not tall naturally because he is he is a wrestler. That is why he is just let me first of all I'll stop sharing the screen so that again I can reshare.
Teacher, he's like John Cena.
Hmm.
John Cena. And that fat
Yes,
wrestler
yes,
is there
yes,
no
yes.
teacher?
Great
Pakistani wrestler.
Khali.
Khan Baba teacher in Pakistan. That fat fellow.
Yes. Okay, I'll show you who he is. Hmm. So he is this person, Great Khali. Okay, so you can see the difference between a normal person and him. His height is like very much. He is
Yes,
too
ma'am.
tall in the
I
height,
saw
and in
him.
fact, he
7.6.
yeah, and
7.6. 7.6 his height.
actually, yeah, right, yes, correct, Rudesh. So actually, at his home, then what happens? He has a separate kind of a doors and all. Wherever he go, he needs like he will be bending.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
will
Yes.
be bending and moving into that things and all. So
Ma'am,
he's a great Khali. He's a
ma'am, it's in
wrestler.
an ad, ma'am.
Yeah. So do you think so? He is okay. He is fit and fine. No, he is not
No,
fit and
ma'am.
fine. Basically, he has a problem in his
Teacher,
body. Rudesh, just 1 minute.
teacher,
So
he
he
has
has
a
yeah.
problem of height growth.
Yeah, so he has a problem like wherein he has a lot of growth hormone in his body. So we all have like Adrit, Rishit, I, Ritesh, Ridesh, Ashwat, we all have the hormones in our body. Hormones are basically
Especially
kind of
me.
substances which are like helping us in different ways. So many different types of the hormones are there. They will be functioning in a different way. So out of these so many hormones, the one hormone will be the growth hormone. And due to the presence of this growth hormone, what happens? Like nails, if I cut the nails, what happen? Again after few days it start growing. If I cut my hairs, again after few days starts growing. That is not because naturally it is happening. That is because it has a hormone. Our body has a hormone called as a growth hormone, and because of that only our body, any like any part like the hairs or the nails, if we cut them, they start growing it because of growth hormone. Now, if this growth hormone is present very high in our body, then also it is a problem. And if it is present in less amount in our body, then also it is a problem. If it is present more in amount, then a person will be very tall, like as you have seen right now in the picture. At the same time, if it is less in our body, then again also a person will become short. He will not or she will not grow in the height. So if they are tall or very tall, they are called as a gigantism. You might have heard the word gigant, right? So the person who has a tall height or they are tall and all, they are called as gigantism. They are suffered from a disease called as
Gigant.
gigantism. Gigantism.
Gigantism.
Ah,
Gigantism.
yes. Tism,
What
Tism,
the?
gigantism. And if they have less amount of growth hormone, then they will be short in height. And those kind of disease or those kind of person, they are called as dwarfism. Dwarfism. Dwarf. So dwarf basically means short. And those person who have the short height, they are called as a dwarfism. Yeah.
Ma'am, who kept these names, ma'am?
People like us only.
Teacher.
Ma'am, I think
Teacher.
he's from
Teacher.
China.
Newton. Newton and the Albert Einstein, the worst scientist ever.
Oh, it's not like that. They have invented so many things, and that's the reason like we are able to use their inventions and all.
Gravity. Teacher,
Huh,
gravity.
so okay, coming back now, Ridesh. Okay, so that's about like the growth hormone. Same way, like we sleep. Sometimes we sleep more, sometimes we sleep less. For that also we have the hormone in our body called as melatonin. So melatonin, it's like if it is more in amount in our brain, then we will sleep more. And if it is less in amount, then we will sleep less. And if it is like a balanced
Ma'am,
amount,
I get more in my body.
I think not only you, everybody has it more in amount,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Whenever
it's less.
social class starts, it will grow.
Teacher.
Oh,
Teacher.
yes.
Mine is
Hmm.
like sometimes 12 hours, sometimes 8 hours, sometimes 6 hours.
Okay. So
Relatively,
your melatonin hormone is basically keep on changing, right? It is not constant.
no. Means sometimes if I'm very tired, I sometimes will night 9 o'clock I sleep and wake up at 1, 2 o'clock morning.
So that's what like
Morning
Ritesh,
and
it depends upon your activity also, your day-to-day activity. Since you work a lot, so that's the
I get tired, teacher.
That's why you should not shout in the class.
reason like you get tired and you feel like to sleep. Now coming to the second part of the chapter, which is the balanced diet. So in the introduction, is there any food item which contains all the nutrients? So is there any kind of food item which has all the nutrients? What will happen if we consume one nutrient in more quantity? So for example, if I am taking only carbohydrate in the high
We'll
amount,
be
or if I
fat.
take only fat, yes, or if I take only protein, and if I don't take the vitamins in our body. So if anything we are taking in high amount, or if anything we are missing out of in our body, then also we'll have the some or the other kind of the problem. That is why always what
Deficiency.
we should always take it in a balance or in a proper amount. Third point, is it good for our health to avoid any of these nutrients? So if we are not eating any particular kind of food, that is okay for our body or not? If not, then what we should do, what we should include in our diet, or like what can be added in our diet so that our body should be healthy and fit. And sometimes you might have seen children like though from outside you look so fit and fine, but from inside you are like weak. You feel so weak, so tired. But from outside, no one can say that you are weak or tired, right? It is because of like daily we are eating the food. That is why we feel like we are active, we are doing the things and all. But sometimes when we do not eat the healthy food, in that case, our body does not get proper amount of energy and we feel that we are so weak. So balanced diet.
Mama.
Now, yeah, you can say that in the balanced diet, 50% of the fruit and the vegetables are included in that. 25% of the protein rich food, and then they have the remaining
Teacher.
thing are the dietary fibers, carbohydrates. Yeah, Rudesh?
Teacher, but in my diet, the fruits and vegetable is included 50%, and the protein and rich high foods like sprouts, eggs, and that all is around included around 9. I should tell 50, till 95%, and the last 5% is carbohydrates.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I
that
have a
depends
doubt,
upon
ma'am.
your work. Yeah.
Ma'am, morning I ate apple and for lunch I ate chapati and for dinner I ate pizza. Is it fine?
Yeah, it is fine. It is fine. Like you have
Not at
included
all,
the
not at all.
carbohydrate, you have included the carbohydrate, you have included the fruits in that. But yes, at the same time, along with the chapati, you might have some other thing also. And
Yes, ma'am.
see
Correct.
what happens, right? It's not about, daily eating. It's only like a time you are eating, right? Now today you had maybe pizza, but not tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, not daily. Like daily you're not going to have it. So if you are
Tomorrow I have
having
burger.
it, very good then. So what is the difference then in that case? Huh, Rishit?
Ma'am,
Then what is the difference?
ma'am, pizza will be from Pizza Hut and
Shritesh,
burger will be from
do
Burger
you do
King.
you agree? No. Do you agree with this boy, with Rishit, that he is saying today I had the pizza and tomorrow I'll have the burger? Is it okay?
Nope, nope, not at all.
How, Rishit, it is okay? And that is the reason I think you are so lean, right, Rishit? Eating this pizzas, burgers regularly. Don't do that. See,
I will not.
maybe once in a week you can eat them, or maybe after 15 days you can eat them, but don't make it as a habit. Once you,
Ma'am,
yeah,
yesterday I ate pizza for after 3 months.
then okay. Then why you're saying that tomorrow you'll be
5
eating?
months once, ma'am.
I
5
just,
months once I
ma'am,
eat
I
pizza.
just given like
So,
example, ma'am.
Shritesh, your controlling power is very high. It means for me, like as a teacher, I'm telling you, for me, I can't control a week also. So it is
Then
like
how many times you eat per week?
it depends. It depends. Like it depends upon my
No,
mood.
depends. I know,
No, no,
teacher.
it
3
depends.
to
It
4 times.
depends. No, it depends actually. I prefer eating dal basically in the see, I'll tell you basically in the evening time, I prefer eating dal. Dal with chapati. That is fixed for me. Dal, either the maybe the tur dal, other dal, or maybe the mixed dal, any dal I eat basically in the like evening time, dinner time. In the morning and in the afternoon, I don't have the breakfast or the lunch. I usually go for the brunch. I hope you know what is brunch,
No, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
Neither the so it is like neither the
I
breakfast,
eat
neither. Hmm.
Oh, then teacher,
one
then you
time
eat. Teacher,
seven
then
one.
teacher, then you eat Maggie, pizza,
No,
burger.
and in the afternoon time, like during my brunch time, usually I prefer it's like chapati with the gravy. Gravy, maybe in the sense of like the cauliflower, the potato with the cauliflower, maybe the paneer gravy, or maybe any other gravy. So that is like how I work. And fruits is like in between, in mid,
Yes, ma'am.
somewhere like maybe after my brunch, after maybe 1 or 2 hours, I usually have the fruits. Or maybe
I
I
also do
have
the
that.
same.
Chach, I have the buttermilk, which you called as buttermilk. I have. So it is a good source actually. It gives you energy. Ridesh, stop playing. So this things gives you energy. How many do you like buttermilk? Do you like buttermilk? Okay, everybody
No.
likes buttermilk.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
okay,
Ma'am,
Ridesh. So buttermilk is a very good source actually. It gives you lot of energy and lot of refreshness you will be getting. And at this point, at
Teacher,
this your
teacher,
age,
teacher,
hmm,
no, teacher. Actually, the outside buttermilk I like, but in my homemade, I don't like it all. Yeah.
homemade I also don't like. I also don't like the homemade buttermilk.
Then you only make it, no,
Same.
teacher.
I usually go for the outside one, only the packet one. But the homemade is like healthier one. It is
ma'am,
a fact actually.
ma'am,
The
like,
homemade one is a healthier one, but not the tastier one.
ma'am, every Sunday when my mom sleeps and when my dad does work, ma'am, silently I'll go to the kitchen and I'll make buttermilk myself and I'll do something in the kitchen and I'll drink.
Great. So we'll also come and enjoy that one day.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go with the next one now.
You do something. Teacher,
Okay. So we should loss of nutrients from food item. Now what happens is like you might have seen your mother, you might have seen your father, you or they might have asked you. Sometimes what happen it is Sunday, your mother might ask you, okay, beta, just do me a favor, wash this, wash that. Or you might have washed the rice also for them. Have you
Yes,
done
ma'am.
that?
no,
Washing of the
No,
rice
no,
I
by
ma'am.
them?
never.
Yes, ma'am.
Shritesh is saying yes. Okay, Ashwath, how you did it? Ajit is saying
Teacher,
yes.
I
How
know the
you all
process
did it?
perfectly.
Ritesh, wait, I am talking to the others. Let them answer. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, for
Hmm.
cooking rice, uh, I will take a cooker and 1.5 glass of rice, and I will wash it After that,
You'll eat the raw
I
grains.
I will add 2 glasses of water.
So Ashwath will keep on adding the water only.
Ma'am,
It will
I
become a
will
khichdi.
Yeah, it will become khichdi then definitely. So my question was not how you prepare the rice. My question was how you wash them actually. What do you do before that? Before making the rice, what do you do?
Ma'am,
Yes, Rishit.
taking it in a bowl like and um.
Great. So you are not a person, you're not a human, you are the animal then it means, right?
No, ma'am,
You're
like
eating the rice raw, Rishit?
no, ma'am.
yes,
What
ma'am.
option?
It's raw
You're
rice.
eating the raw rice. Are
No,
you
ma'am.
okay? You said that taking the ball of rice and then yum 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 and all.
No, ma'am. All the stones. Sometimes I saw. I did not did, but I saw. Many people they'll take the stones and they'll do like this, like this. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Now what happened? Ma'am, is my process not nice?
No.
Ma'am did
Ma'am
not like
was
only my
in a
process.
funny picture.
I'll change my process from now.
Ma'am,
Ashwath, what
Take
did
the
I do?
raw
Because
rice
of
and
you only,
no,
ma'am left.
directly take the raw rice from your hand and eat it. Finish.
In
from
curry.
the
We need to pour the.
And I think you might have seen in the message also in the group that I'm not able to get connected on the class. So again and again getting disconnected. It's not because of your rice. So don't worry. I don't have any problem like with that. So, okay, we were on rice. So, what happened basically when we wash those rice, we should not wash them more than twice or more than thrice. So, generally, twice washing of the rice before cooking is enough because when we wash the rice more than twice, and what happened? Whatever the nutrients or minerals are present in them will also get washed away with the rice, right? But nowadays, what is happening? Washing the rice at least thrice or 4 times is must because it contains what? Lot of dust in it, and that's the reason we wash them frequently, like maybe 4 times, maybe like 3 times and all. But it is suggested always to wash only twice so that whatever the nutrients are there, they will be in the rice only. Same goes for the fruits and the vegetables also. What we do, like we generally wash them. Like if I talk about the tomatoes also, we wash them, or we should wash them before peeling, not after peeling, because when we wash after peeling, then again then what happens, the loss of the nutrients will be there after peeling. Ashwath and Ridesh done on the video. So before peeling we can wash them, but after peeling we should not wash them. Then third thing you might have, yeah.
Ma'am, but what is the use of washing the peel?
What is the use of washing with the peel, right? So when you wash along with the peel, whatever the dust is there on the peel will be getting washed away, right? Now, when you remove the peel inside the like fruit, then nothing else will be there. No dust will be there, no particles will be there.
Okay.
Fine, that is the reason. Like before, you can wash it, but not later.
Nice one.
Okay. Then third thing is like the cooking process. You might have seen like we always cook the food before eating, be it like the vegetable curry, be it the rice, and we should actually do it. But what happens when we are cooking it too much? What happened? The vitamin C, which is present in the food, get heated up because of this heating process and all. And that is the reason we should always make sure that we should not heat the food much. But the more we heat the food, the more tasty it becomes, right? So we should not do it because vitamin C will get lost after heating the food or after boiling the food for a certain period of time. So these are some certain ways which will be affecting the food item. So we should not wash the rice more than twice. We should not wash the fruits after washing or after peeling. we should not wash the vegetable after peeling. And the third thing, while cooking the food or while heating the food, what happens? The vitamin C will be lost. So these all things we have to make sure that we should not do it on a frequent way so as to absorb all the amount of the nutrients in our body.
Ma'am, why should we cook the rice, ma'am? Like we should, we should eat directly. We can
See,
eat.
we cannot eat those, those rice directly as like Rishit, because our body is like is not like suitable or not appropriate for it, right? So we will have the stomach ache. So if we try eat, like might be some of you might be eating the Maggie also, like the raw Maggie. Are you? No, na? But Rishit is doing it.
Ma'am, I will not eat Maggi, ma'am.
I'm raw Maggie.
Shritesh, we are just joking. Why are you taking it so seriously? So since he said that he is eating the raw rice, that's the reason I told that Rishit is eating the raw Maggie. All right. So we should not do
He
that
might
because
be. He might be. He
who
might
knows
be.
it? Who knows? Okay.
He will eat.
Okay. So Rishit, we are just, we are just having fun. So don't feel for it. Okay.
Well, not.
Okay. So now I think we all are like a family, right? So we are discussing the whole thing together as a family. We are like whenever I have something, I'm sharing with you my own stories. Whenever you have, you are sharing with us. So whatever we are discussing, it is like between all of us. Correct? So that's the thing, we should not do it. And raw rice or raw Maggie are not appropriate because they create lot of stomach ache in our body, and it will be
Teacher,
harmful for us also.
teacher. If Rishit is eating, why he is not getting stomach ache?
He is getting it, but he is not telling us. Yes, he is getting it, but he's not telling us. That's okay, Rishit. That's okay.
Ma'am, we will ask him, ma'am, first.
He is saying he's not eating that. So, okay, what about Adrit? Adrit, what is your favorite food?
Noodles, Maggie, chips.
No, Adrit won't eat that.
Not eating.
Wait, let me hear from Adrit. Yes, Adrit.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adrit. Huh?
ma'am, burger.
Earlier, remember
Apart from burger?
pizza.
No, not like this. I'm talking about the daily food, like maybe in a lunch, in a dinner.
Ladies finger.
Ladies' finger. Okay, great.
Camping.
Apart from the ladies' finger, chapati or rice?
Ma'am, both.
Chapati, rice,
Both,
paneer,
okay.
chicken, mutton. So
Okay, fine. So, okay, we all have the different ways of
What is
eating,
yours?
right?
What is yours, teacher?
Mine is like Adrit. I feel like to have
Chapati
both
da.
chapati
Chapati.
also and rice also, but I don't like ladies' finger. I like
Teacher,
the paneer gravies much.
Delhi people eat the most chapati, dal, and ladies finger only.
Right. That is why, like, I said the same thing. Like, I will be feeling like to eat those kind of things.
Ma'am, I like chapati with ladies finger, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we all have a different taste. I
No,
believe, like,
ma'am. It's wrong. Raw wheat.
ah, correct, Ashwat, correct.
Ma'am, do you know
Yes.
one thing? Ladies finger is a non-veg, ma'am. Because we are eating one lady's finger.
Okay, great. So we had fun today by eating the lady's finger in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
ma'am, whenever in my class someone brings lady's finger curry, they says that I took revenge.
great. Okay, children. Now I have
Correct answer.
uploaded the
Okay, ma'am.
homework there. Start doing it with the name components of food MCQ
Yes, ma'am, I
and
saw
with
it before
today's
the
date.
class.
Okay. So start doing it.
Ma'am, 50 questions, one.
Yes.
Ma'am, is a balanced diet same for all ages or it will be different?
Different. It will be like completely different.
Yes, ma'am. That's what in my 10 questions I kept the same thing. They're not, they are different.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the ninth question, the boy is like Rishit, ma'am.
Okay.
He is not suffering from constipation.
That we should find out from Rishit only.
Ask Rishit's teacher. Ask him.
No, he is looking fine. Very fine. He is looking.
Yes, ma'am.
So he is not a person.
He's like this teacher, full patla, dupla insan.
Ma'am, daily I go to gym, ma'am. I have six packs. So
Yeah.
that's why I wear-
Teacher 18 plus only. If you want to do a bodybuilding, go to somewhere different place.
Ma'am, there is kid gym.
Actually, teacher in our I have to do gym, but not like bodybuilder kind of gym. Only swimmers gym, athletic. We tell it as athlete body.
that running and sitting and drinking water.
Okay, okay.
Running,
Enough. Now do the
sitting.
questions, Ritesh. Do the questions.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this question number 19. Proper cooking is not necessary for healthy food. Is it true or false in that, ma'am? I think the answer is maybe true or maybe false, ma'am.
Question number?
19.
Wait, let me open the question number 19. Proper cooking is not necessary for healthy foods. Is it the statement true or false?
Yes, ma'am.
False.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, they're asking every time that the vitamin that gets easily destroyed by heating during cooking is
Yeah.
Vitamin C. Asking so many times.
Because you know that in this chapter, that's the most important question.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am, I
vitamin
think
C or
it-
vitamin A?
C.
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 Ma'am, I think Adriti is getting irritated of that question.
Teacher,
Hmm.
the person who made science no teacher,
Hmm.
I know is from a different world.
Might be.
One and CBSE board is asking one question every time. Even fifth class also they gave the same question.
Correct. We should also think of the same thing. Why is it so?
Teacher, as I came in now, first time in my school, the school when I changed, they were not teaching chapter. And as ma'am came, she asked, I'll ask you some basic question. The first question was that
What was it?
which vitamin get destroyed while the food.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the 19th question.
Okay, I'll explain you 19th one. Proper cooking is not necessary for healthy food. So do you think so that we should not cook it properly? It's the statement true or false?
And false.
Correct. So it is false.
Ma'am, after the test completes, I'll ask you a question.
Okay. So you want me to answer for it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll try my level best.
Okay.
I hope it should not be related with the rice.
It will not be related to that, ma'am.
Because
Okay.
Rishit eats the raw rice.
Ma'am, on 26th question,
Hmm.
you did mistake.
Answer: the diet provides it all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantity along with the Duffy liquid. Huh? What is a
Amount
mistake?
of page and AD. What does mean, ma'am?
Oh, it is and. A-N-D, and.
Okay.
I think, which question number, Shritesh, you are doing?
Ma'am, 42.
What about others?
Ma'am, here, ma'am, I am in 30th question, but above it's showing that 26 out of 50, and I checked everything, but I did everything, ma'am.
Same, ma'am. When I'm in the 43rd question, it's showing I only attended 41 questions.
Might be between somewhere the subjective questions were there.
Ma'am, but I checked, ma'am. I checked
Yes,
the whole
ma'am.
thing.
Wait, let me check. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. But total number of questions are 50 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now if I did 50, it's showing I did 49.
Somewhere one is missing.
Ma'am, for me
Ma'am,
the
I'm
same
checking
thing,
again.
ma'am. I did
Check it, check it.
ma'am, I did 33 questions and it's showing me 29 questions are only completed. I checked and I did everything.
Now what is this showing? Because you have not submitted the paper.
Yes, ma'am.
So come do it completely. It will be showing the right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's showing you have attempted 46 by 50 questions.
Have you submitted?
Ma'am, I found a question which I did not attempt.
Okay, so yours is 50 on 50. That means 50 you have attempted. Other thing might be somewhere some questions you might have left in between. Because total 50 questions are there. I have checked it. Okay, I can see Shritesh has submitted 43 on 50. So have you checked your mistake, Shritesh?
Ma'am, I'm still checking. Few are checked.
Okay, fine. So children, these questions are given to you so that you will be able to understand what mistakes you are doing. And few questions are being repeated in different ways or maybe in the same way because those questions are important for that chapter, for that particular chapter. All right. And some of the questions are like little high level. It is
Actually, I did everything, but it's showing 46 by 50.
attempted 46.
No, ma'am, I attempted all.
So 46 by 50 might be the marks there in that case. You submit it. Submit the paper. Let me see.
Ma'am, shall I ask you that question?
Adrit, yes, it is showing 46 attempted. Wait, let me see which question you have not attempted. Question number 28 was not attempted.
Ma'am, I attempted it.
But here it is like showing not attempted. Question number 28, 29, 30. These three questions were not attempted. And that's the reason I think it was showing 46. And then question number 47 also was not attempted.
But I attended, ma'am.
Might be then the problem with the this paper. So in that case, you have might be. So in that case, you have scored plus 44 plus 48 on 50. Okay, children, complete it, submit it. We'll meet tomorrow. And tomorrow, I am not going to teach you. You are going to teach me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, shall I ask you that question?
Wait, Rishit. Let me give the topics first of all to you all. Ashwa, turn on the video. Ridesh, turn on the video. And Ridesh, what, you're sleeping or what? So, Shritesh, you will be teaching on the topic. Okay, before Shritesh, I'll give to Adrit. Adrit, you will be teaching on topic balanced diet. After that,
Me.
wait, Ashwath, you will be teaching on the topic deficiency diseases. Okay, Ashwath?
Okay, ma'am.
Different types of the balance, different deficiency diseases, vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, everything you will be telling on to us. Then after Ashwath, it will be Ridesh. Ridesh, you will be teaching on the topic. Should I take the physics topic or the chemistry topic?
Physics.
Which chapter should I take?
Teacher, you should take carbohydrates.
Okay. Ridesh, carbohydrate is physics?
Yeah, no chemistry.
Wow. You sleep, Ridesh. You're sleeping nicely. Let me talk to your father.
Teacher.
Wait. Let me talk to your father. Wait.
Biology.
I'm not sleeping. I'm listening. But physics,
Okay.
chemistry teacher, physics, chemistry, we are learning science.
So, okay, Ridesh, then you can take the topic, sorting the materials, okay? Do you know that
Sorting
this
a whole
chapter?
chapter.
Yeah, whole chapter.
Teacher, whole chapter, teacher, how teacher?
Yes, fine.
I need my
Now,
partner as Ritesh.
then how you will be discussing what you're going to teach and what he is going to teach?
50-50
How
or
50-50?
60-50.
No, which topic then you will be taking, Ridesh?
I am going to take the introduction only.
Wow, great. Ridesh, we are going to teach the whole topic. Now, that's enough. Shritesh, you will be explaining the chapter separation of substances. Right? In that, you will be talking about few methods. Might be any 5 methods you can select. Okay, any 5 methods you
Only
can
about
select.
the methods, right?
Right, only about the method, because the whole chapter is like only about the methods only. So any 5 methods you can go for it.
Ma'am, like I should explain the 5 methods.
Yes, 5 methods. It might be the hand picking, it might be the centrifugation, it can be any other method, winnowing, it can be threshing, it can be. Fine. And Rishit also will be explaining the separation of substances, the 5 methods.
Okay. Ma'am,
Fine.
like me and Shritesh should do it half or
But how I don't know, like Shritesh, which topic you will be taking? Which 5 methods you will be taking?
Ma'am, I'll take winnowing, threshing, hand picking, sieving, and sedimentation.
Rishit, whatever topic Shritesh has told, you will be taking that. Fine?
okay, ma'am.
Because Shritesh has selected all the simple topics.
Yes, ma'am.
So this topic, what Shritesh has said, you will be taking those topics and Shritesh will be taking the tough topics now.
Okay.
Ma'am, then I have
Decantation. Decantation. Half
Yes,
filtration
ma'am.
you can take.
Ma'am, filtration and ma'am, what else?
Magnetic property, magnetic that you can take.
Evaporation, filtration.
Yes. Condensation, all those topics you can take. Fine. See, if you feel like you are very smart, I'm much smarter than you.
Shritesh, thank you so much.
Okay, so you are open, you can do anything, like you can use any kind of, maybe the things which you have, maybe for like winnowing you can use that winnower part of thing, like sieving you can show that this is a sieving, this is sieve, how do we sieve. So all those things can be done, or if you want that you have some kind of PPT with you or some kind of presentation with you, you can do that also. If you have the board, you can use a board and you can share the screen. So it's up to you how
Teacher,
you're going to teach.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can you allow for screen sharing tomorrow?
So what you will be doing in that case, Ridesh?
He'll open
I'll
YouTube
just
and show all the
separate.
videos.
I'll just add the pictures and I'll write the key points of the chapter and explain.
Fine, all right. Perfect. I don't have any
Allow for
problem.
the
I'll
screen sharing.
And can
fine.
I ask
I'll
that
allow
question
it.
now?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Everybody
I will try
listen,
to make
everybody
a PPT
listen.
on pictures. Maybe I'll try.
Fine. See, it's up to you. I'll just see how the way you are presenting you yourself, and we should understand it. I'm zero in that. I don't know about the chapters now. I'm zero in that. Now you have to make me to understand the whole chapters. That's it, right?
Then teacher, my explanation you will understand only 10%. Because teacher,
I thought he is going to say that, ma'am, with my explanation, you're going to understand each and everything. But he said only 10%.
Teacher, in my school, ascending and descending
See,
order.
Ridesh, wait.
Descending.
Ridesh, see, already I am running late. I have the other classes also. We'll continue these all things tomorrow. So
And can I
prepare well for the seminar.
And can I ask?
Rishit, yes,
Ma'am.
ask fast.
Ma'am, I'll give options, okay? Who
I
is
have
your...
just 30 seconds now.
Okay, ma'am. Who is your best student of your class? Option A, Rishit. Option B, option A. Option C, option B.
I will go for, someone with the name Manisha Agarwal is there. With that girl, I'll be going.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, on this note, thank you so much, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.